Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Val, and for today's video, I did 5 exercises that you can do on just the barbell for your legs. So I know getting in the gym can be kind of hectic sometimes. Either you're new, or you just don't feel like moving around too much, or you don't have much time in the gym. Barbell exercises are perfect for getting in a quick but still a good workout. I personally absolutely love compound movements. It's what I've seen the most progress doing. I always do at least 1 or 2 compound movements at the beginning of my workout. So if you guys want to see a full leg day using only a barbell, then keep on watching. So our first workout is going to be a squat. So I am doing a low bar squat, and low bar means that I'm holding the bar right at my rear delts. I have a nice firm grip on the bar, and I have my feet shoulder width apart with my toes slightly out. You also want to make sure that you are tucking in your elbows, that they're not flared out or anything. They're nice and tight right by your sides, and that you are pinching your back to keep a nice tight, form. This next workout is a good morning. I am also doing a low bar squat type of I'm doing a low bar squat form is what I call it. So I'm holding the bar lower down on my back, and I have my knees slightly bent, and I am doing a hip hinge at my hips. So you want to act like someone is they have a band around your waist and they're pulling you back with it. So you want to make sure you keep a neutral spine. You want to make sure that you don't use your back on this. If you feel your back on this, drop the weight a little bit because you don't want to hurt yourself. I absolutely love that exercise for my hamstrings. It's absolutely amazing. This next workout is going to be a reverse lunge. Now, I absolutely love reverse lunges because I feel them a ton in my glutes. So I just, step back with the leg that I'm using, and the front leg creates a 45-degree angle. I am also holding this in a low bar squat type of way because I feel my glutes more when I hold it that way rather than if I were to hold it up on my traps. So I'm just alternating legs, and I am doing reverse lunges, and I make sure I keep a neutral back. Now, just because I say neutral back or spine doesn't mean that you're going to be completely upright. If you look at it closely, you can see that I have a slight forward lean in my form. Next, I have one of my absolute favorites. This exercise has helped me grow my hamstrings a ton. My hamstrings are super stubborn and they weren't growing for the longest time. But as soon as I started doing heavier RDLs, I noticed a huge growth in them. So I'm just keeping the weight as close to my body as possible, keeping the tension in my hamstrings. I have my feet a little bit closer than shoulder width apart. Moving on to the last exercise is a sumo deadlift. I absolutely love these for my glutes. I feel them a ton in my glutes and hamstrings, and I'm always sore when I do them. So I have a over-under grip, and it's right between my legs. So my legs, it's my grip is on the inside of my legs, and then I have my stance more than shoulder width apart with my toes pointing out. I squeeze at the top, and I make sure that I keep a neutral spine as always. A good cue to have on sumo deadlifts is to act like you're spreading the floor apart with your feet. And yeah, guys, that is all the workouts. All of them just require a barbell so you can get in and out of the gym and make sure that you have a super good workout. Remember, do all kinds of rep ranges and all kinds of weight. Make sure you're mixing it up so that you guys can see the most out of your workouts. And I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you want to see barbell workouts for upper body, all barbell workouts for your back, or if you want to see a all leg day workouts on the cable machines or with just a dumbbell. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And don't forget to turn on my notifications so you don't miss my next video. And I'll see you on my next video.